Hello guys, today I'm learning you how to set out of Microsoft Teams application. So first thing you need to log in to your Microsoft Teams and then you're gonna see your icon over here. You're gonna go there and you're gonna say you have two options. So first is that you say here and you can say available, busy, or do not disturb, all those options so people can know. But there is even cooler way to tell people that you can't respond right now. You can go and set a status message and you can say here whatever you would like, and then you can say show when people message me, and everybody who tries to message you during your, I don't know, like lunch break or something like that, will get that message like, sorry, I'm on a lunch break, call you in an hour, or something like that. And you can even say clear after, and then you can specify like 1 hour, 4 hours a day this week, or custom. So pretty cool option from Microsoft Teams. Hope this helped, guys. See you in the next video and subscribe us for more useful tips.